Hi, today I'm going to review the RejuvenSkin 5-in-1 Ultra Skin Rejuvenator System. What you get in the box are the instructions on how to use the product and also various suggested therapies for using the phototherapy or ultrasonic or ionic cleaning. If you use facial serums like hyaluronic acid or vitamin C serums or rose hips oil, you can use this product and you apply it on the wand and then put it on your face with the nutrient setting, and then it's going to vibrate your skin in such a way that you're getting the most absorption. I'm just going to set that up there. Here's the code or USB cord, and that's how it gets charged. You just plug it in the base of the unit, and then you have the plug here. Plug it into the wall. When you're doing the deep cleaning, you get one of these cotton pads, moisten it, put it on this, and there is an O-ring that is kept in with the goggles, and you put that around it and hold it in place. This has been pre-moistened, and then as you take that over your face in the prescribed way, then you will get a really good deep cleaning. When you use the phototherapy, you need to wear these goggles. You never look into the light directly. There's red, green, and blue light that you can set this device to. And in the user's manual, it does tell you how long you do each portion to get the benefit, the maximum benefit from the system. I will be using this for 10 weeks so that I can get the most from the therapy I've chosen, which is fine line and wrinkle reduction. I did get this for a discounted price in exchange for my honest review. I have been using this for 2 weeks already, and I can't tell you if it's working great or not, but I can tell you it is so relaxing. It just feels so good to do the different therapies that I'm in it for the 10 weeks, and then I can update my review and see if there's a reduction in fine lines. I will post a link to purchase this in the comments below. I did get this for a discount in exchange for my honest review. Thanks for watching.